Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Tygot Mini Wireless Keyboard and Mouse. You can see from the box, this is what the Mini Wireless Keyboard and Mouse is supposed to look like. It's a very compact device. There's some information here. It says perfect control PC entertainment features, portable, elegant and lifestyle choice. And that's more or less it. There's more information here, but it's kind of obscured with the sticker over here. Let's just open it up and take a look inside. So there we are. This is what we get inside the box. Right, so okay, so we have a micro USB charging cable over here. It's really short micro USB charging cable, there you can see. We also have this is basically a registration card for this device. And this is of course the Tygot wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Over here is a micro USB charging cable for when you want to charge this device or when you want to connect it basically. At the back we have this flap over here, and we have the battery. This is a BL5C battery, and this over here is the nano transmitter. This is what you attach to a laptop or desktop to connect this via Wi-Fi. I am going to do just that. Let me show you. So this is my laptop over here. I'm going to connect. Okay, let's switch this on. Now let's wait and see. It seems to have charge. Oh, hey, it works. So this is basically the trackpad. I'll show you. There, if you can see, this is basically I'm on a notepad right now. So if I start typing, keep it here. I'll go back, delete some of the stuff. Sorry, back. So if I type here, you can see it works, and also I can use this trackpad to, move the mouse like so. There, I've minimized it. Now you can see me moving the mouse using the trackpad over here. And there you are. This is what you find inside the box containing the Tygot Mini Wireless Keyboard and Mouse. Thank you for watching.